Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming a few essentials. Check your TV's OS version and free space, then sign into your Google account in Settings so the Play Store can sync. Once done, connect the TV to a stable Wi-Fi network and make sure other devices load web pages to verify internet. Now navigate to Apps or the Google Play app on your home screen. This is where you'll trigger the update. Act now so the TV is ready for the next steps. You're in the Play Store app. Go to Settings, then About, and select Check for Updates or Update Play Store. If an update's available, accept the download and monitor progress. Make sure you don't power cycle the TV mid-update because that can corrupt the app. While it downloads, close heavy apps to free RAM, and once installation completes, the Play Store may relaunch automatically. If the TV prompts for a restart, allow it. This finalizes installation and applies the updated app files. After the update completes and the TV restarts, open the Play Store and check About to confirm the new version. This verifies success. If the store behaves oddly, clear cache and data for Google Play and Google Play services and apps, then reboot and try again. If issues persist, uninstall updates for Play Store and reinstall, or sign out and back into your Google account. As a last resort, consider a factory reset, but back up settings and apps first to avoid data loss.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.